All right, so we got brand new rotors, calipers, hoses, everything. But, 50, 60-year-old hardware, I think we're gonna leave that aside. So we're gonna do a major upgrade here. Let me get down to my 7/16 drawer. We're gonna do some ARPs. Now, these are gonna be about 20% stronger than the grade 8s. Now that's gonna be from premium material. It's also through hardened instead of case hardened, just on the outsides. And they also roll the threads, which means they press to make those threads instead of cut machine material away. So that's gonna put a compressive stress, extra strength in there, which is nice. Now we're gonna do this stainless. So that's not gonna rust, that'll last forever. It's gonna look pretty awesome. And right here we've got 12 points, but whatever your fancy is, 6 point, 12 points. All right, anytime you got a critical fastener, you wanna make sure that it's got some decent lube on it. In this case, we're gonna use actual ARP Ultra Torque. Because what you don't wanna do is, when you use your torque wrench, you don't wanna feel the friction of the threads. You want that to spin smooth. You wanna feel the stretch of the bolt, because that's what's clamping together.